It's costing small businesses more money when you shop with your credit card.
I'd say over the most part, we definitely have more credit card use than cash. Some days it's as high as 10 to 1 credit card versus cash.
I know from about 5 years ago, credit cards made up just a little under a half of our sales, and now they're almost the majority.
Recent statistics show an average of up to 2% of the sales price coming off the top in a card usage fee charged by processing companies.
Credit card usage affects small businesses because every time we swipe that card, there's a processing fee that they have to pay, and then there's also a transaction fee, which is a percentage of the cost of that transaction.
And while big businesses have the opportunity to sometimes negotiate their costs, this fee stands as non-negotiable for small businesses like blink of an eye.
There's not a lot of transparency on that either. Merchant will be charged different amounts based on if it's a Visa or a MasterCard or an American Express. Even if they have the same processing company, just the overall banks will charge them different stuff. So it's not very transparent. And like I said, they just have to take what they can get for the costs.
So here's the breakdown. If you're buying a $50 necklace with your debit or credit card, retailers are charged a dollar fee for that purchase. That's $10 for 10 $50 transactions.
Every time we run a credit card, we get a service charge. There's a percentage to pay, and it cuts in very quickly, especially in a coffee house where your sales are like $1.62.
But local business owners are saying they'd rather opt in on the card fees in order to keep business rolling.
It's just part of being a business today that you're going to have those expenses. I don't think you can just think you can get around it.
You got to pay the man or you don't get paid, because so many people don't even carry cash anymore. To make the step of not accepting credit cards is actually a death sentence.
You can help them out as a consumer by paying with a check or with cash, but sometimes the convenience to both parties of using a card overrides the cost of using that card.
In Kirksville, Destiny McKeever, KTVO News.